Today I'm going to walk you through how to set your YouTube channel as made for kids. The first thing you need to do is use your YouTube studio, but most just simply use the website is the best. So once you use the website, that is studio.youtube.com, next thing you're going to do is sign in. Once you are in, then you scroll all the way down to the left panel until you see settings. This is settings, then you tap on it. Now once you tap on settings, you will have general and channel. Tap on channel, don't need the rest. Then here tap on advanced, and there you can see audience. Do you want to set a channel as made for kids? Then we want to set it, so we'll choose yes, set this channel as made for kids. Now once you've done that, your ads will not be personalized, notification, comments and stories will be disabled. You want to see other changes, you click on it to see other changes, and it's as simple as that.